Hi there everybody, George here, EI7 Kilo Oscar. Quick video here. I had to show you these speakers I got. Picked these up on Amazon. I'll stick the link in the description of the video. I think I paid somewhere around 22 euros or so delivered for these. And I have to say they are absolutely amazing for the price of them, and quite well made as well. They're 800 grams each, almost £1.50, and I had read all the reviews. Quite a few of them were by hams who had bought these, and they said they were quite pleased. A lot of people that place negative reviews for them seem to want to use them for their phones and MP3 players and things like that. For that use they seem to require an amplifier, but for what we're going to be using them for with our radios, they are perfectly adequate for it. I'll attach a segment of video towards the end of this with some audio from received stations, so you can draw your own conclusions from that. The size of them, they're listed as 4-inch, which is the driver size. The actual size of the cabinet is 120 mil square, or 4 3/4 inches if you're on the opposite side of the Atlantic. And as I said, they sound really good. So as I said, I'll stick a link in the description to this video. I highly recommend these. Come in pairs, and I have one either side of the monitor, and the 7300, absolutely no issue driving the two together. I used to have the studio monitors here, but I still have them, but there was a huge mismatch between the radio and the speakers, and no matter what I done, I tried a lot of different things, and I could never kind of find a suitable workaround. So I decided to have a look for another set of speakers and came across these guys. They came with a little sticker on them here, which I removed because it looked kind of rubbish. I have a set of badges ordered for them, a set of Bose badges, just for the laugh. So there you are. It'll just make them look a little better, I guess. So there you are. I would highly recommend these to anybody that's in the market for a set of decent external speakers, and a minute fraction of the cost of anything with the term matching speaker. You know, those things are ridiculous money, and most of the time they don't end up sounding all that good. So highly recommend these. Anyway, I'll attach this segment of video to the end, and we'll catch you again on the next one. This is George, EI7 Kilo Oscar. Bye bye.
0 Tango Lima Sierra. Ocean Tango 70 Whiskey Radio Charlie. Alpha TM0 CME. Pleasure, Alex. That's why we're here on the radio this morning. It's raining outside, and there's no reason to do anything today. It's a total washout. I wish you all the best, and have a good week, okay? Thank you for the accolades on the signal. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, thank you. GUX at a 20 over 9, UA3 GUX. Big signal from Russia. W2YT, your friend Mike. Over.
Ça se pratique. Ok pour tout, donc là il y a eu toujours des hauts et des bas sur cette transmission également, mais par contre il y a eu un moment donné, il y a eu un saut, paf, c'est revenu fort.
United Central and North America. Okay, no problem, my friend. Nice weekend. Delta Florida 6, Florida Golf, Charlie Tango 1 Alpha Sugar Mike.
GE2 Bravo, India, Victor, EA5, India, Kilo, Juliet. Thanks for the 5-9 contact. And yes, so we have worked before on 15 meters back in 2016, and we had a previous QSO in 2002 on 20 meters. The 2002 QSO was with a different call site. but we did work last year with this one on 15, so this is our third QSO, and on a new band as well, so nice to work you on a new band, Cossack. You sound very good here, super signal. The other station is on frequency, this is occupied, please QSY. Okay, Cossack, I'm running a TS990 from Kenwood, and 1 kilowatt. The antenna is a 6-element Yagi from Ultrabeam, which is around 14 metres above the ground, beaming short path to JA. Back to you, and again, you have a really, really good signal here, Cossack, with good audio. JA2 Bravo, Italy, Victoria, EA5, Italy, Kilo, Japan, over.